Hi, my name is Dr. Julie Fietta. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you, but before I do, I wanted to give you a little bit of background on why I chose this recipe. Your loved one may need a little bit of assistance cutting their food to ensure that it's in small enough bite-sized pieces that they can manage in their mouth. Fine motor skills or coordination could also be a challenge, so cutting something up may not be the easiest thing for someone to do. If your loved one is not able to do this, or it's a challenge for them, there are a couple of options. You could cut up their food for them, which may be a great option for you and your loved one, but in other situations, that might be a little bit embarrassing for them, or they may not understand why you're trying to help them with this task. So you might want option number 2, and that's simply to make foods that don't require cutting, but still offer good nutritional value. So today I'm going to be giving you a recipe that fits into that second option. This is a recipe for Korean beef. It's delicious. It's eaten over rice and with a vegetable, and so you can eat it with a spoon or fork, no cutting required. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and share this recipe. Thank you for joining us for today's Eating Well segment on Silver Science 20. Please note that while I'm excited to share this recipe with you and my thoughts on why it may be a good option, this is not intended to be medical advice or medical recommendation because I am not that kind of doctor. Thanks for joining.